Hi everyone. In today's video we'll explore a fundamental lab technique used to study proteins: Western blotting. So, what is Western blot? Western blot is a laboratory technique used to detect specific proteins in a sample. It helps scientists determine whether a protein is present and measure how much of it's there. Now, let's talk about how Western blot works. This technique has three main steps: protein extraction, separation, and detection. First, we start with protein extraction. This means breaking open cells to collect the proteins inside. Second, we move to protein separation. Here, we load the proteins into a gel and run electricity through it. This separates the proteins by size. Smaller ones move faster, and bigger ones move slower. Finally, we do protein detection. We move the proteins from the gel to a membrane, then use special antibodies to find the one we're looking for. At the end, we get a visible signal, like a band, showing us where our protein is and how much of it is there. Western blot can detect a wide variety of proteins. Common examples include housekeeping proteins like beta-actin and GAPT, which are used as controls. Other important proteins detected include p53, a tumor suppressor, and ERK12, which are key signaling molecules. Now, let's shine a spotlight on beta-actin, a true workhorse in the world of protein analysis. Beta-actin is a cytoskeletal protein, meaning it helps give cells their shape and supports their movement. But in the lab, it has another important job. It acts as a loading control in Western blot experiments. Because beta-actin is consistently expressed in nearly all cell types, it's the perfect reference to make sure the same amount of protein was loaded into each lane. That way, when you compare your results, you know your data is trustworthy and accurate. For all your Western blot needs, from beta-actin antibodies to essential reagents, visit our website gentle.com, or contact us via email. Thank you for watching.